Super Reversi, how to play. The object of the game is to have the most pieces in your color at the end by flanking your opponent's pieces and flipping them to your color. Hold down the button to turn on the unit. There are 3 modes you can play: solo mode against the AI, head-to-head mode against a friend, and challenge mode. Green goes first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you must place a piece in such a way that it flanks one or more opponent pieces in an orthogonal or diagonal straight line in between one of your own pieces that is already on the board. Then, all those flanked pieces in between your 2 pieces will change to your color. The game unit will only show playable spots. Rotate the dial to select one of the faded locations, then press the button to place your piece there. Only the opponent's pieces that are in between your newly placed piece and all of your nearest existing pieces in orthogonal and diagonal lines can change to your color. You cannot flank an opponent's piece by jumping over your own pieces. Multiple lines can be flanked simultaneously. The ring of light around the unit indicates how well the current player is performing. The light may increase or decrease after each move. If you have no legal move, then your turn is skipped. Once the board is completely filled, or when neither player can play, then the game ends and the player with the most colored pieces wins. In challenge mode, select a level, then press the button to begin a game from a predetermined setup. Win, and the number will turn green, and you can advance to the next level. Each of the 500 levels slowly increases in difficulty. To mute the unit, change the game mode to challenge mode and immediately short press the button 2 times. Hold down the button to turn the unit off. What makes this game so thrilling is that you never really know who's going to win until the very last move, since multiple rows can flip at once, always leaving room for an epic comeback.